Excuse me, is this the right gate for Flight 123?
Yes, it is. Are you traveling alone?
No, my family and I are flying together. Do we need to check in our bags here?
No, you can proceed to the check-in counter. Have you already checked in online?
Yes, we did. What time does the boarding start?
Boarding for your flight will begin in about an hour. Is this your first time at this airport?
Yes, it is. Can you tell me where the nearest restroom is?
Sure, just follow the signs over there. By the way, do you know if there's free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, there is. You can connect to airport_free_Wi-Fi. Are there any good restaurants around?
Right across from the gate, there's a cafe. Would you like a recommendation?
Sure. What do you suggest?
The sandwiches at the cafe are delicious. Have you gone through security yet?
No, not yet. How long does the security check usually take?
It depends on the time of day, but it's usually quick. Did you pack any liquids in your carry-on?
No, we made sure not to. Do you know if there are any delays for our flight?
I'm not sure. You can check the departure boards over there. Have you got your boarding passes?
Yes, we have them on our phones. Is it okay if we keep our shoes on during security?
No, you'll need to remove your shoes. Is your flight a direct one?
Yes, it is. Do you know if there are any duty-free shops after security?
Yes, there are. They're on the way to the gates. Are you flying for business or leisure?
It's a family vacation. Are there any charging stations around?
Yes, near the waiting area. Have you checked the weather at your destination?
No, we haven't. Is it easy to navigate through this airport?
Yes, the signs are clear. Have you considered joining the airport lounge?
We haven't thought about it. Is it worth it?
It depends on how much time you have. Do you know if the flight offers in-flight entertainment?
Yes, it does. Have you ever had any issues with lost luggage here?
Personally, no. But it's always good to keep an eye on your belongings. Do you have any other questions about the airport?
No, that covers it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and pleasant journey.